Hello everyone, welcome to this video of 10 ugliest birds in the world. Number 10. The Dracula Parrot. The Dracula Parrot is a striking species of parrot with an exotic appearance. Its plumage is mostly black in color, with a distinctive red crest at the top of its head. Its wings are black with white highlights along the edges. Its beak is large and pointed, and its eyes are bright yellow. Its claws are also black, and its feet are gray. It stands out in its environment due to its size and brilliant color scheme. Number 9. The Kiwis. The Kiwis are an unusual looking bird native to New Zealand, with a fuzzy brown skin. They have a long, thin, curved beak and short wings, making them unable to fly. The adults are around the size of a chicken, and the males are slightly larger than females. They have small black eyes and long, thin black legs. The adults have gray-brown feathers that look shaggy, while the juveniles are covered with a soft down. Number 8. Southern Screamer. The southern screamer is a large water bird with an unmistakable loud and piercing call. Its medium-sized body is mainly black with white on its neck, head and chest. It has a prominent crest, long yellow legs, and a white bill with a red tip. The eyes are yellow and it has white patches on the wings and back. Its webbed feet are black. The southern screamer is the most common of the three screamer species. Number 7. The Muscovy duck. The Muscovy duck is a large and sturdy waterfowl, ranging from 24 to 28 inches in length. The Muscovy has a unique body shape, with large feet and a long neck that leads to a fairly large head. Its soft brown feathers have dark green and bronze iridescence and white feathers on its tips, knobs of feathers on the crown of its head, and yellow bills distinguish this species in the wild. Number 6. The Shoebill. The shoebill is an impressive looking wading bird with a unique shoe-shaped bill. It has a large gray body framed by a black and white striped back, a black neck, and white feathers on its head. Its long, slender bill is grayish-blue near the base and black towards the tip, and it has a large eye on either side. Its wings are broad and brown in coloration, and its leg and long neck are brown. They are a rare sight in the wild and a remarkable bird to behold. Number 5. Great potoo. The great potoo is a stocky nocturnal bird with a relatively long tail and short rounded wings. Its grayish-brown plumage helps it blend in with the tree bark it frequents. Its large yellow eyes are acute with specialized vision to detect potential predators. Great potoo also has a large white throat patch, a distinctive feature among other potoos in the genus Actibius. Its long beak helps it search for insects that are its primary diet. Number 4 is the vultures. The vultures are large birds, typically with dark feathers and long wings that span up to 2 meters. They have bald or nearly bald heads to prevent bacteria buildup while they feed on carrion, and their long hooked beaks allow them to tear into their food easily. Their eyes are usually dark in color and their legs are stout and strong. Vultures are often seen soaring in the sky, gliding and soaring for long periods of time as they search for food. Number 3. Hornbills. The hornbills are large-bodied, colorful birds with an unmistakable look. They have a large, thick bill, often with a distinctive casque or crest on top. The plumage is usually predominantly black, gray, and white in color, with accents of yellow or red in certain species. They have long wings and long, slender tails, along with short legs and large talons. Hornbills are social birds, often seen in small groups or large flocks, and they have a mesmerizing call, making them easily recognizable in the wild. Number 2. Hoatzin. The Hoatzin, also known as the stink bird, is a bird species that is found in parts of South America. It is easily recognizable by its distinctively large eyes. Its wings are brown with a pattern of darker, streaky bands and is roughly the same size and shape as a wild turkey. The Hoatzin is often described as an outlandish looking bird with an odd, poisonous smell that is said to emanate from its home in the wetlands. Number 1. Marabou storks. The Marabou storks are large birds with a wingspan ranging from 200 to 300 centimeters. They have a large, unfeathered pink or white head with a black face, as well as a long, thick white neck. Their wings are predominantly white with black tips, and their long tail feathers are white. The bird's legs, feet, and bill are black, and they have a noticeable tuft of black feathers on their throats. They have light gray bodies, and their wings, belly, inner wings, and flight feathers or a pale shade of grey. Thanks for watching.